Passwords cracking. Password cracking is a process of recovering passwords to help a user for recovering forgotten passwords or to gain unauthorized access to a system. It is also one of the most common things which we observe in our daily life. Everyone is eager to know others' passwords. So there are different types of password cracking techniques. 1. Password guessing. 2. Dictionary attack. 3. Brute force attack. Passwords guessing. Passwords can sometimes be guessed by human with knowledge of users' personal information. Examples of password guessing areas are blank or space. Believe me, you can find these things in most of the companies. The words password, passcode, admin are the most common and highly used passwords in companies. A row of letters from the QWERTY keyboard, the name of their friends, relatives or pets, their date of birth or phone number or a name of celebrity they like, and many more. But ratio of guessing password by guessing is really very low. You need to know about the victim very well and you need to have good luck. Use the social networks like Orkut, Facebook and search engines to know about the victim and keep trying to guess password. Dictionary attack. People often choose weak passwords. The best example of it is in one survey of MySpace passwords obtained by phishing. 3.8% of passwords were a single word findable in a dictionary. And another 12% were a word plus a final digit. 2/3 of the time the digit was 1. Recovering the passwords by using dictionary based words is known as dictionary attack. Most of the time it works. So nowadays all the vendors of internet are allowing the password containing combination of alphabets and letters. But it is very tough to limit hacker in the digital world. To crack such type of passwords, hackers use brute force attack. Performing all the combination of alphabets, numbers, special characters to recover password is known as brute force attack. But it takes very long time depending upon the strength of the password.